Okay guys, just want to update a little bit on this new DIY cable that I just installed on my amplifier. You can see here I connected to my power filter and to my amplifier, the NAD. Okay, this is how I connect it. I know it isn't the best way, but yeah, because it's long, I don't want the cable to sit on the floor, so I just hang around the TV bracket. So do I hear any difference? Yes, very different from my previous cable. The bass is less prominent, it's less bassy, but the bass is more controlled. I can feel the bass more it's more well behaved in a way, right? But the biggest significance that I can hear is the sound separation is way better. I can hear really the instrument and the vocal, the separation is clearer, right? In a way, it sounded more audiophile in a way, right? Because I listen to a lot of pop music and it sounded different. Do I prefer this cable or the older cable? I don't really know, but yeah, it's if I listen to Nora Jones, I would appreciate this cable more. But if I listen to a bit more pop song like Taylor Swift, right, probably that cable is better. I don't know, maybe this cable will require more time to burn in. So let's see. Probably 1 week later, I will share with you guys how do I feel. Right, but again, definitely it's different. Right, the sound separation is different. So when I listen to Diana Crowd, it's more enjoyable through this new cable. Okay, all right, bye everyone.